Hazrat Sahal bin Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu states, an Arab woman was mentioned before Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam commanded Hazrat Abu Usaid to send for that woman. So Hazrat Abu Usaid sent a message to her. She whereupon came and stayed one of the castles of Banu Saida. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam set out and reached near her. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam entered to see her sitting with her head hung. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam talked to her, she said, I seek refuge in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu against you. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, I have given you refuge against me. The people said to her, do you know who he is? She said, no. The people said, he was Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam who had come to you to propose you. She said, I am then extremely unfortunate. Sahal says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam came that day, and he as well as his companions radiyallahu anhum settled on the platform of Banu Saida. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam then said to Hazrat Sahal, give me something to drink. I thereupon brought out this bowl and served water to them in it. Abu Hazim said, Sahal then brought out that bowl for us, and we also drank water from it. Then Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz requested Hazrat Sahal to gift him that bowl. So Hazrat Sahal radiyallahu anhu gave him that bowl. Abu Bakr bin Ishaq's report says, O Sahal, give us something to drink. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5204.